In the shadow of Nicolas Maduro's arrest, Somalian fraud and deportations, and the ballooning exposure of political corruption, even more justice has finally triumphed in a spectacular takedown of corruption, which was pushed to the background of the controlled media. Judge Hannah Dugan, once perched on her high horse in the circuit court for 9 long years, has been brought down, convicted of felony obstruction, and forced to resign in disgrace. What a glorious day for America as this anti-American judge slinks away from the bench she so thoroughly betrayed. It all exploded in April 2025, when federal agents from Immigration and Customs Enforcement stormed the courthouse to apprehend an undocumented immigrant. But Dugan, in a shocking display of defiance against our nation's laws, obstructed them at every turn, warning the man and his attorney, and even ordering court staff to help him evade arrest. Prosecutors nailed it. This was blatant interference, a felony slap in the face to federal authority and the rule of law. The trial in December 2025 was a masterclass in accountability. A jury, seeing through her excuses, convicted her of felony obstruction, though they acquitted her on a lesser aiding charge. It's appalling, utterly appalling, that our judicial system has been infiltrated and corrupted by such partisan activists masquerading as judges. Dugan prioritized illegal immigrants over American safety and sovereignty, eroding trust in the very institutions meant to protect us. How many more anti-American figures like her are lurking in our courts, twisting justice to fit their radical agendas? Facing up to 5 years in federal prison, Dugan's sentencing is pending before United States District Judge Lynn Adelman. No date set yet, but let's hope it's swift and severe. She deserves the maximum penalty to send a clear message. No one is above the law, especially not those sworn to uphold it. And that's not all. Her sentence should absolutely include the revocation of her license to practice law. Under Wisconsin rules, a felony conviction triggers summary suspension, and full disbarment is the only fitting end for someone who so egregiously abused her position. Anything less would be a travesty, allowing this corrupt influence to linger. The pressure mounted gloriously. Wisconsin Republicans, champions of the Constitution like Assembly Speaker Robin Vos, vowed impeachment, the first since 1853, if she didn't quit. Dugan caved, resigning on January 3, 2026, in a sniveling letter to Governor Tony Evers, whining about unprecedented threats to judicial independence. Independence? More like independence from accountability. Reactions? Speaker Vos hailed it as the right thing, a victory for constitutional order. Even Milwaukee County Executive David Crowley admitted it was necessary for public trust. This isn't just a resignation, it's a celebration of cleansing our system from rot. Dugan's downfall exposes the deep corruption in our judiciary and reignites the fight to restore true American values. As we await her well-deserved prison time and disbarment, let's give thanks for one more brick in the crumbling matrix of the deep state. Justice is happening, guys, and while we want to focus on tomorrow, it's always comforting to see that our leaders have got our backs and are destroying this monster, one arrest after another.